Going over to question 4 now. This is another vocab question, and for these, you want to invent your own word to fill the space before you look at the answer choices. And so let's go ahead and start reading. So, though not closely related, the hedgehog tenrecs share basic blinks with true hedgehogs, including spines, snouts, and body size. Traits the two groups independently developed in response to equivalent roles in their habitats. So these animals are not related, but they do share some basic stuff with true hedgehogs. And the groups actually independently develop those things in response to equivalent roles. So the equivalent roles part is very important there because it tells us that we're talking about similarities. So these animals, these hedgehog tenrecs, share basic characteristics with. That's what I might say in my own words, with true hedgehogs. So let's start looking at the answer choices. So they share basic examples of. That's not quite right because an example would be a specific example of a general idea. Concerns about, we're not talking about worries. Indications of, an indication of would be, well, if I always see apples opened a certain way, then I know hedgehogs must be around. So we're not talking about indications of. And similarities with, well, we were thinking more characteristics with, but similarities with works just fine. So although they're not closely related, these hedgehogs share basic similarities with true hedgehogs, including the spines, the snouts, and the body size. So that's wonderful. And the answer here is D.